Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Resident Evil Requiem on PC. First, open Steam. Right-click on the game, select Properties, and go to the Controller tab. Here, first disable Steam Input, launch the game and check. If that does not work, enable Steam Input again and relaunch the game. This has fixed the issue for many players. If the controller is still not detected, disconnect all extra USB devices. Unplug extra controllers, arcade sticks, steering wheels, flight sticks, USB adapters, or dongles. Then restart the PC and launch the game. Next, type USB game controllers in Windows Search and open it. Click on Advanced and make sure the correct controller is selected as the default device. If you are using wireless connection, try connecting the controller with a USB cable. If you are already using wired, try Bluetooth instead. For Xbox users, install and open the Xbox Accessories app from Microsoft Store and update your controller firmware. For PlayStation users, install and open the PlayStation Accessories app and update the controller. Lastly, launch Steam in Big Picture mode and start the game from there. One of these steps should fix the controller issue. That's it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.